highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 50%. Friday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 60s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 50s. Sunday, partly sunny with a 40% chance of showers. Highs around 70. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Lows in the upper 50s. Monday, mostly cloudy. During potentially dangerous weather situations, transmitting receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. The station WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 MHz. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Warren, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the Know Another Radio.
All hands, total alert.